Hello everyone. Every tip you're about to hear in this video has been verified by expert mechanics, so take a deep breath. We're going to fix this together. You're driving your Kia at night, and suddenly the message "Check High Beam Assist System" appears. The first thing you might think is that your high beams are broken, but that's not actually the case. What your car is telling you is that the automatic system that controls when to turn the high beams on and off isn't working properly, so it disables itself for safety. Your headlights still work, but now you'll have to activate the high beams manually, just like in older cars. Now, this system depends entirely on a camera located on the windshield, usually behind the rearview mirror. That camera is like the eyes of the system, and if it can't see clearly, the high beam assist stops working. That's why something as simple as dust, rain, dirt, snow, or even a bug stuck on the glass can trigger the message. Many mechanics say the warning appeared after driving in heavy rain or when the windshield was dirty, and disappeared after cleaning it. Another very common cause is when the windshield has been replaced or the car had a minor front impact. In those cases, the camera may be slightly misaligned, and even if you don't notice it, the system does. When that happens, the car disables the high beam assist because it doesn't trust what the camera is seeing. This is very common after windshield replacements or repairs without proper recalibration. But that's not all. Many mechanics have also found that a weak battery can cause this message. When voltage isn't stable, several electronic systems may start acting up at the same time, including high beam assist, lane assist, and forward collision systems. Some mechanics reported that after replacing the battery, the system returned to normal without needing any additional repairs. There are also cases where the problem is simply a temporary electronic glitch. Your car's modules are like computers, and sometimes they can get confused. Because of that, many people fix the issue just by turning the car off, waiting a few minutes, and turning it back on. That small reset allows the system to restart and function properly again. Finally, in less common cases, the problem may be the camera itself, the wiring, or the system module. This is usually suspected if the message doesn't disappear after cleaning the windshield and performing a reset. In those situations, a diagnostic scanner can identify exactly which component is failing and whether it needs calibration or replacement.